Is anything?
Get the stuff safely on the boat.
Yeah, I was just checking. They're putting plastic on the floor, there's stuff, and then plastic over it. So.
Right, we're on our way through the Amazon jungle. Look there.
Oh, there it is. Oh,
OMG. It's like a statue.
It looks like it's in a museum.
It's frozen. Is it real?
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, it's moving.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's looking at us. He looks really chilled.
He does look really chilled.
Oh, he's opening his mouth.
Opening his mouth. It's like,
Getting
dinner's
some,
ready.
Getting some oxygen.
Dinner's ready.
I'm loving the coming through. Oh, there's one in front of us.
Yeah, he's posing. Get your cameras ready on the right.
Ghost driver.
Yeah, they're just playing, yeah.
Just this one is fearless.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh, that's crazy. That's so nice. I love how you see the picture.
Yeah, that's what's going on.
Yeah, true.
Well, we're just got ourselves in a bit of a pickle right now. But luckily for us, we don't have to get off the boat.
Well, don't speak too soon, we might have to, you know.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream.
Is it doing anything? This ain't gonna work, is it?
¿No tienes una soga para jalar de este lado?
We're moving a teeny bit.
Brother, ¿no tienes una soga de acá adelante?
Move the boat. There we go, there we go! Woohoo! Hoppa!
Vámonos.
Bye, amigos.
So Eco Lodge.
Is it? Oh, so we're not far from the dolphin.
Dolphin
That's
swimming
why
place, yeah.
dolphins travel then.
You and I didn't think that, actually.
I'm in.
Hola, Mexico, amigos. Bueno, ¿cómo está? Hey, hey, girl.
And welcome to our crib.
Show us around.
Show us around.
Show us around. So this is where we are.
We've got 1 bed, 2 beds, and 3 beds. 3 beds. Our fantastic net curtains.
Beautiful.
And
Lifesavers.
we're just in the process of packing day.
Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is today?
Packing day.
Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl.
Why are they making that noise?
So we are on the hunt for an anaconda. We are in the midst of the Amazon jungle right now, in kind of a field. Yeah, it's hot, it's boiling, loads of insects about.
I didn't bring my hair bubble.
No, you didn't, did you?
Right, big step.
Big step. It's a good little workout in the morning as well after having a very hearty breakfast.
And a hearty food.
Yeah. And a hearty dinner actually.
Come on, lad.
Nice and fidgy and slimy. You feel cool now, right?
Look at my face. So cold.
On the hunt for some anacondas in the middle of the Amazon jungle. We're right in the midst of the jungle. Just pulled up right up by a stream.
Why?
And
Anacondas, why?
Daddy's looking at me.
And you got camera shy.
Oh, camera shy. She's there.
Anacondas, like.
Our chefs say this is medicine for cancer.
What? The shell.
The shell.
And how do you...
I don't know how she prepared. Bueno, pongo ahí en tu bolsa. Oh no. So,
Oh my god.
Is it an anaconda?
No, it was the caiman.
Oh, okay.
Where?
I'm pretty sure it's like just over there.
Isn't it like right there?
Yeah.
It's right, literally right in front of us, yeah.
Where?
Holy fuck.
There's another one.
Oh my god, this is the slowest way. One photo.
Sick angels.
Tell me what's going on, babes.
He's
So,
bed now.
just said.
She said bed, so just on a minute.
Is it just loading up, yeah?
We're just baiting the hooks down at the end here, ready to chuck in the water and fish for some piranhas.
Piranhas.
Piranha.
Becky with the good hair.
Yes.
Oh, girl.
Welcome to this end of the boat.
Oscar, say hey.
hey, I prepared the fishing line for piranha.
Piranhas.
Look at that.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Oh.
Okay.
Just weird how every time we
Let's pass them down, please.
Okay.
Yes.
We're passing the bait down. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, girl.
They're all baited up, guys.
That's really light wood.
It's really light.
Light wood. What wood is that?
Is it wood?
No, just watch it, you don't like.
What kind of meat is it?
Chicken.
Last step
Tourist. They didn't listen.
to that.
Yeah, the last
The last part. Oh, that's it. That's everything.
Okay.
Chuck them in the freezer. Yeah, chuck them in the freezer.
Hey.
Okay.
I want some chicken tonight.
Chicken tonight, yeah.
Yeah, you got one.
Oh shit.
It's not too he's a catfish.
He's got a catfish.
What do I do now? It's been in the water too long. Do you have some?
There's heaps behind.
Oh my god. I pictured it bigger.
Yeah, I thought it'd be a lot more evil looking as well.
This is big enough.
You moving in?
Yeah.
Red belly and white belly.
I caught that fish.
Daddy.
I caught it in Oscar.
I got it.
A little bit.
Yeah, you can pull the lid down. Go on then, Becky.
Oh yeah.
Oh God, you're actually doing it. Oh, you're doing it as well. Why are you
I just
crazy?
don't
Hold it and then you pull.
Well, yeah, because I've only got one hand.
Right, go
I'll
on.
just get Oscar to hold it with both hands.
No, go on, Becky. I want you to do it.
No.
Becky, go on. You got good hair.
I've got meat ready to throw in. Excuse me.
He wants a piece of meat. Uh-oh. It's coming closer. It's coming closer.
Now what is
Oh my God. Oh my God.
No worries. No
It's fine, it's fine.
Oscar, what on earth?
Blink, blink.
What's that thing on the top of their head?
Oh, I missed it.
I don't want to provoke it.
Not too close for you. It's my lens. It's not your lens, Cayman.
Yes, one more.
You look so good, man.
One more.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Really? Oh yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
I like it. I like it. You like it.
We sound like a girl.
I like it.
And then,
Oh, it's hot.
then also a little bit have this part. Continue on this part. But, and then I can eat everything like this.
You hate everything. It's too hot to eat.
Oh, it's so hot.
Just straight into it.
Okay, and that's how you do it. And he's not had any bones.
Yeah, I might go a little bit gentler with it.
Do you want to explain what's been going on?
I've been lying for the last half an hour, 45 minutes, and I'm sweating cobs.
Yeah. Sweat. Oof.
Oh, that's so pink.
And that's it, guys. That's the first of our 8-month travel vlog series, and there's many more to come. So if you enjoyed it, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.